Hey guys, welcome back. Here I have a 2011 Land Rover and I'll be talking about the brake pad sensors and resetting the brake warning light, which is shown here. Now this one was a pain trying to reset the light. It took about 2 hours
Oh, it feels so evil.
No, don't think about it. Concentrate on goodness.
until I figured out how to reset the light. We found all sorts of procedures from stepping on the brake, gas, using a scan tool, waiting 45 seconds. But here's the fix. When those brake pads are worn down to 3 mil, generally you replace the sensors too, and the previous shop didn't replace the sensor on the front, and that was what was causing the brake warning light. Have a close look at those sensors, and if they look worn, replace them. They were meant for a one-time use only. Alright, so I got a new sensor cable for the front, and what I found was the front brake system likes to see continuity. Using a multimeter, set it to ohms and touch the two terminals. You'll see continuity. When the brake pads wear down to the sensor, it breaks the continuity. Now, the rears are different. It likes to see no continuity. When the pads wear down to the sensor, it sees continuity. Then the warning light comes on. Both sensors are going to be hard to get to, but the front one is going to be behind the rear well. You're going to have to take the tire off to get better access. You can also test it to see if the sensor is worn or faulty by doing what this guy is doing. Once you get to the connector behind the wheel well, using a paper clip, short the connector.
Let our power reach out once more and bring the cosmic comet down on...
The light should then go off. If it does, replace the sensor. Again, the rear sensor works differently. It might be the same on other models, I'm not sure. If you disconnect the sensor in the rear, the light should go off because there's no continuity. My name is Henry, and that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.